Okay, so this is GC. This is has a trough that is due on the minor weekly 1014 to 1125. This is still looking overall in terms of the cycle structure like a bull flag, correct? So the base case based on this bullish minor cycle structure would be for a test of highs at 2801.80 on the weekly. Now, obviously, to get through that, you got to move through the 61.8 and the 78.6, which on the weekly is at 2702 and 2750-ish. If you hop over to the daily chart, you can see the actual levels. The 61.8 is at 2702, 78.6 is at 2746. Those are your two key levels. And right now, it is likely that we have just formed a short-term trough at 2541.50, a fairly clear sell-off that did in fact mark the low, I should say, a short-term low that was due 11.1 to 11.18. All right, that's look there at GC.